Okay guys, this is the 2005 Bobcat 334G mini excavator. I'm going to walk around this machine so you can take a closer look at the components. The machine was recently sanded down and repainted and decaled. We went through and did all of that. There's some overspray on some of the hoses and whatnot. But as far as mechanically, the stick and the boom are in really nice shape. There's no major cracks or welds. There is a little bit of play in the bucket pins, so you do have some play there. The machine is plumbed out the boom there, so you can put a hydraulic attachment on this machine. But everything operates well. There is, like I said, some play in the linkage. The blade's in very nice shape. Everything operates well on the blade. The undercarriage is in good shape. The tracks are like new on it. There are a few scuffs in the tracks, but the tread on them is like new. And that goes for the rollers and the idlers and everything too. Inside, the compartments are clean. As you can see here, the engine starts up and it runs and operates well. Everything works well inside. The seat is in nice shape. There are a few little tears on it, but everything operates well in the seat. There's a little bit of play. We replaced the one bushing in this control, but there's a little bit of play in this one. It doesn't affect the performance of the machine. This is your serial number plate with the model number and your product identification number. Here's your console. The machine has 2,331 hours on it. So everything operates well, and if you have any questions, feel free to message me. Thank you.